distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Fiji, Madam First Lady.
May we be seated, please. Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the commissioning ceremony for Fiji's new ambassador designate to the United Arab Emirates, Ambassador Naipote Tako Katanitambua, shall now begin.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Naipote Tako Katanitambua, Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Fiji to the United Arab Emirates for today's commissioning ceremony. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has fulfilled all the prerequisites required to ensure that all Fiji's interests are covered whilst his servant. Naipote Tako Katanitambua is in post. Excellency, Naipote Tako Katanitambua, whom you have faithfully dispensed, is now ready to duly execute his calling to be the ambassador of the Republic of Fiji to the United Arab Emirates. Thank you, Excellency.
I, Naipote Tako Katanitambua, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Naipote Tako Katanitambua, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the constitutions of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the Ambassador to the United Arab Emirates with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Thank you.
God bless you. Wish you well. Good. Yeah.
That's I don't know the question.
Right.